Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at an 8.5 by 24 enclosed trailer. We do have our jack, coupler, and safety chains at the front. There is 24-inch stone guard along the bottom and tip of the V-nose. We have a 36-inch passenger side entry door. This trailer does have a black screwed exterior with the teardrop aluminum fenders. Coming along to the back portion of your trailer, we do have a spring assist loading ramp. There is a 6-foot 6-inch interior height on this trailer. We have a roof vent as well as a 12-volt dome light. There are 4 tie-down points at the bottom of this enclosed trailer, as well as a driver's side escape door. There is 3/4 plywood floors and 3/8 plywood walls. Have our door from the inside as well as a step. This trailer also has LED brake lights. As well as 2 5,200-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. We have the escape door from the outside. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 24 enclosed trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.